So we need to look at these perspectives from that. Dr. Manish Madan was very worried when I told him that मैं तो भाई 12-1 बजे उठने वाला आदमी हूँ. कहता आप फिर 9:30 कैसे आओगे? मैंने कहा don't worry, 9:30 क्या मैं 8:45 होंगे, and ask him what time I was here. And that too, I went out of my house to Gurgaon, picked up Hina from there, and then came. I booked a taxi so that I don't have to drive so much. So that is how it, and still I was here at 8:45. So that is, once you commit, DCM में आज भी याद है हमें, computerized attendance way back in 1982, I am telling you, 8:01 की punching means half day salary gone or half day casual leave gone. That was Charatram for us. That time obviously we were very upset. मोबाइक डेज थे, वो कार के पैसे नहीं होते थे. सो मोबाइक में फुल स्केल एक्सेलरेटर चले जा रहे, सब गीला बारिश में, क्योंकि आधे दिन की सैलरी कट जाएगी. बट टुडे आई अप्रिशिएट दैट कि दैट इज व्हाई ही मेड अस व्हाट वी आर. All that confidence that you see today is out of this, because I don't expect anybody else to do things which I don't do. If I go late for my class and expect students to be there on time, so we need to establish those standards, and most importantly the evaluation with milestone dates. That is very important. So this is the framework I use, which you can be of some help. After putting down the vision mission, obviously you have to come to your strategies, which some of you have already done. I think most of you have done. From strategy come the targets, then come the actions, again implementation, review, and we must reach the results. I don't know how many of you are interested in cricket, but since in most audiences I find that is the game which everybody seems to know a fair amount. 2007 World Cup, why were we so unhappy? And that was a terrible day. I would never in my life forget that, because we were 8 of us having our dinner in India Habitat Center, 6 Indians, 1 Pakistani and 1 Bangladeshi. India was losing to Bangladesh, Pakistan was losing to Ireland parallelly, so you can imagine what was happening, because of which we were shunted out of that World Cup. So if we say we had gone there to play cricket, then we were playing cricket. Where is the problem? That was not the result that we had gone there for. It is about winning. It is about winning. Winning is the thing, not just, those old time, good old days, participation is important, this, that. Today it is winning. It may sound very ruthless and rude, but which are the organizations you appreciate? The ones that make profit, the ones that make the best products, and then they are generally ruthless. So we need to look at the results rather than the activities. मैं सुबह 8 बजे आ जाता हूँ, रात के 8 बजे तक बैठा रहता हूँ, फिर भी आप खुश नहीं होते. But what have you delivered during the day? That's very important. So result analysis is extremely, extremely important. What did you start with and where have you ended up? That is important. Again, as I said, our forefathers have created wonderful stories, and on this activity and result business, I normally narrate a story which is about a jungle that got divided into 2 parts. One part, the lion became the king, and the other part, a monkey became the king. So 3-4 months, 5 months later, one poor Bakri, who used to be a citizen of the monkey's kingdom, her child was picked up by the lion and taken away. So poor Bakri, what could she do? She went to the most powerful person in her country or in her part of the jungle, which was the monkey. राजा जी मेरे बच्चे को शेर उठा के ले गया है, आप कुछ करो. अच्छा ऐसा हुआ, अभी चल, अभी देखते हैं. So he goes along with the Bakri to the border, till which place his jungle part was there, goes on to one tree. Throughout the day, from morning till evening, this tree, that tree, up, down, this, that and the other he does, and comes down finally. Bakri is still standing there, one more day gone. राजा जी क्या हुआ, मेरे बच्चे का कुछ पता चला? नहीं देख भाई, तेरे बच्चे का तो नहीं पता चला, पर मैंने दौड़ धूप में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी, देखा तूने, सुबह से मेहनत कर रहा हूं. Now that kind of a thing corporates is not happy with. what is the result you have produced? I don't like a person who comes and tells me, please give me 40,000 salary and don't ask me what result have I delivered. I like a guy who says, this is the 1 lakh I have created for you, mere 40,000 do. That kind of a guy I will never be able to, leave. So what is the result we are producing for the organization we are there? Every organization has to operate within its constraints. So don't think any organization is perfect. No question about that. Within those constraints, given the constraints, and I told you about na Norman tel hoga na Radha na chahiye. So within the constraints we have to produce. So that is the STAR framework that I would suggest for you. There are many such frameworks. So these are definitions. I am not going to spend time on that. What is a target? All of these have been explained. What are the actions? Oh, ये थोड़ा उल्टा हो गया. Review and results. Very, very important. Okay. Now plan your sequential steps, and the most important thing is this. Without this, no plan has any meaning. I never looked at a plan which my juniors brought to me, both at DCM and Escorts, till such time they gave me a date. And if that date was earlier than what I had anticipated, I would say go ahead, please do. But if that date was later than what I anticipate, I would make the person sit with me and work out. How did you arrive at this date? Because the Dheela ones, but Chalu, will always keep huge margins. And this is the problem with the MBO process also. The guys who are good at negotiating will negotiate with their boss and keep their target such that they will always achieve it. So the boss has to be intelligent enough to catch those gadbad. For example, in sales typically it happens, and because I am a trainer, I am involved with all kinds of training activities. I am not a sales marketing person. Where he will say, oh sir, मैं आपको पक्का वादा कर रहा हूँ 10 लाख मैं लाके दूंगा आपको मार्केट से जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है इस महीने के एंड तक. And a shallow boss will be very happy with that कि हाँ भाई 10 लाख रुपए हमारे टीम का आ रहा है महीने के एंड में. मैं होऊंगा तो उसको बिठाऊंगा, वो बात सुन, ये जरा स्टेप्स बता, तूने डिलीवरी कब दिया सामान का? इस डेट को दिया, 12 तारीख को दिया. उसके बाद व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? ये सब यूजर डिपार्टमेंट उसको 2 दिन टेस्ट करेगी, परफेक्टली फाइन, 14 हो गया. उसके बाद वो अकाउंट्स और परचेज दोनों डिपार्टमेंट्स जो हैं वो टर्म्स टैली करेंगे. ठीक है, ये है. इसके बाद ये स्टेप है, इसके बाद ये स्टेप है, करके 12 स्टेप का प्रोसेस बन गया. राइट. उसके बाद फिर मैं उसको पकड़ता था. ऐसा है, 12 तारीख आज हो चुकी है, 4 छुट्टियां भी हैं आगे. राइट. तो वर्किंग डेज रह गई आपकी 14. आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग 12 स्टेप्स टू गेट कंप्लीटेड एंड यू विल गेट मी द चेक? किसको उल्लू बना रहे हो? So unless you have that kind of this thing, you will not be able to catch your juniors. टेढ़े लोगों को पकड़ने के लिए टेढ़े तरीके यूज करने पड़ते हैं. Which is why whenever there is this debate about Ram being more honest and Krishna being more effective, this is how you got to handle it. And this is the way we were taught. One day suddenly, and with due apologies, this is nothing to do with religion and God. Please understand. We are here to learn lessons irrespective of this. So don't link it up with God and religion. Look at it on the lighter side and derive the lessons. And that is how we learnt our management. So Professor Chatterjee had this habit of coming into the class and suddenly asking a peculiar question जो हमें कोई सिर पैर नहीं समझ आता था कि इसका मैनेजमेंट से लिंक क्या हुआ. So we were very upset initially कि एक दूसरे को देखते थे क्या हो रहा है. So similarly, one day he comes in and he is dean, and I haven't met a person more qualified than him because he was MSc PhD in psychology from Presidency, and then he had either a diploma or a degree in management from Cornell, Harvard, Stanford and London Business School. So I don't think you can have anything more than that. But as I told you, complete Indian ethos. So one day he comes in, who was more honest, Ram or Krishna? डीन साहब पूछ रहे हैं क्या करें, ये तो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा मैनेजमेंट में क्या लिंक हुआ, अभी कहाँ राम और कृष्णा कहाँ से आ गए. Anyway, what do you think we answered? Who was more honest, Ram or Krishna? He said Ram was more honest. Okay. Then he says, who was more effective, Ram or Krishna? He said Krishna was more effective. Obvious question, why? Sorry? Wonderful. Wonderful. That was one of the answers we also gave. Good. So we tried our best to give answers.
He could make people to dance to his tune.
Exactly. That's what is the conclusion we came to, because he said, ultimately after listening to all of us, whatever reasons we had, he says actually Krishna had two extra qualities which Ram didn't have. And then he quickly pushes in, those are the two qualities you need to be effective managers. हमारे फटाफट student, you know, you are dealing with students every day, some students are there also, हमारे तो कान खड़े हो गए, दो क्वालिटी में मैनेजर बन जाए और क्या चाहिए, यहाँ तो आए इसीलिए. So then he says, Kala number 1, which Ram didn't have and Krishna had, was he knew how to dance. मेरी तो सिट्टी पिट्टी गोल हो गई, because I can tell you very, very honestly, I have succeeded in many things, failed in many things, but if you ask me, give an example of a complete failure that you have had, that is dancing. So मैंने कहा मेरा तो गया, manager तो मैं बन नहीं सकता. Then he says, and Kala number 2, he knew how to make others dance. फिर कुछ जान में जान आई, क्या ये कुछ कोशिश की जा सकती है. And honestly, he said it in 2 sentences. That time it made an impact, but today when I look back, phenomenal that all our lives, forget management, forget profession, in our personal lives also, just give dance a little wider meaning. What do you get? Are you not always convincing someone to accept your idea, or someone else is trying to convince you to accept their idea? So either we are trying to make somebody dance or somebody else. If you just give it that wider meaning, that's all that is happening all the time. Everything is about an idea which is being sold or bought, right? When you convince somebody, what are you doing? So that is where we learnt that, you know, we have to strike a healthy balance, because Krishna being God, he was able to make everybody dance to his tunes all the time. But we being normal human beings, अगर हम हर एक बंदे पे हावी होना चाहें, अगर हम हर एक को नचाना चाहें, तो फिर हमारे पूर्वजों ने हमारे को बता के गए हैं क्या, हर नहले पे दहला होता है. सो हमेशा आप नहीं जीत सकते, और अगर हमेशा दूसरों की बातों में नाचते रहे तो भी आप अपने लिए मुसीबत बुला रहे हो. So do you have the brain to strike the healthy balance that is required? And our physiology tells us that. Can I survive on sugar high? Can I survive on salt high? Low sugar, low salt? Can I survive only on salt for the first 15 years and then only sugar for the next 15 years? Everywhere a balance is required. And that is what is the important thing. So as a manager, as a leader, as a professor who is guiding students and you are the leader there, what is it? How do I strike that healthy balance? And look at, when I started, I said that the best textbook of OB and HR is Mahabharata, where look at how he handles the different characters. And Mahabharata is an excellent story for the simple reason it has all kinds of characters. You have Danveer Karan at one end, you have the Shakunis and the Duryodhans and the Dushashans, you have the brilliant Bhishma and Vidur, but Bhishma being helpless, rigid, not flexible, those kind of problems, ethical issues. You have Drona and Kripacharya, and the beauty of this is that you can interpret it in so many ways. For example, when the normal interpretation that you get from people on Karmanye Vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana, they will always tell you कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर, निष्काम कर्म. बट माई इंटरप्रिटेशन इज डिफरेंट. आई से भैया मैं तो बहुत ऑर्डिनरी आदमी हूं, मैं तो काम करूंगा, मुझे तो फल चाहिए, साफ बात है. देन हाउ डू आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस? आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस एज काम करना मेरे बस में है, पर उसका जो फल मिलेगा वो मेरे बस में नहीं है. सो वाई बॉदर? मैं वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल खेल रहा हूं, लास्ट ओवर है, 1 रन बनाना है, very, very comfortable situation, and a batsman like Virat Kohli is batting, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, राइट? 1 रन बनाना है 6 ओवर में, या धोनी is batting, something like that. If the umpire gives me out, what happens? When I was not out, मेरे बैट पे लग के फिर पैर पे लगी है, नॉट इन माई हैंड्स। मेरे को जो मौका मिलेगा आई विल यूज इट, बट मेरे हाथ में नहीं है। सो वाई बॉदर अबाउट दैट? बॉदर अबाउट थिंग्स विच आर इन योर कंट्रोल, एंड दैट इज द लेसन दैट वी गेट। Look at the different characters. Arjuna, you will have many Arjunas who are very, very brilliant but shaking. Now it's a long story why Arjun was shaking. Initially Arjun was very, very, overconfident, so to say. And Krishna wanted to teach him also a lesson that you are only a medium through which things are happening. It is not your ahem which will be the thing. So therefore what does he do? He drives the chariot and puts it exactly where he can see all his gurus, Dronacharya, Kripacharya on that side, Bhishma on that side, and he is all shaky. So he brings Arjun to a state of realization. And then when Arjun कांप रहा है, what is the kind of support he gives? अरे भाई, कपड़े नहीं बदलते रोज अच्छे लगने के लिए, 6 बार नहा के 6 कपड़े पहनते हो सुंदर लगने के लिए, बॉडी भी वैसे ही है। आत्मा को तो तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, नश्वर है। इट इज ओनली दी बॉडी, राइट? आत्मा तो अमर है, यू कांट डू एनीथिंग। सो वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम? तुम अपनी ड्यूटी कर रहे हो भाई। एंड अर्जुन इज ऑल फायर्ड अप एंड ही डज हिज थिंग्स एंड द रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री। नाउ इमेजिन फॉर अ मोमेंट इफ ही हैड यूज्ड सिमिलर लॉजिक ऑन युधिष्ठिर। आई एम 100% श्योर युधिष्ठिर वुड हैव आस्क्ड हिम बैक, कृष्णा जी ये बताओ, ये आप कह रहे हो मैं बॉडी को मार दूं, आत्मा तो मरेगी नहीं, दूसरी बॉडी लेके फिर लड़ने आ जाए, फायदा क्या है मारने का? No, he doesn't do that with युधिष्ठिर। युधिष्ठिर की सत्यवादिता उसको पता है, ये तो झूठ नहीं बोलेगा, अब इसको कैसे हैंडल करूं? तो भाई ठीक है, जब वो गुरुजी पूछेंगे जो पूछेंगे, जब वो आंसर देगा तो अश्वत्थामा मर गया परंतु वो गुरुपुत्र नहीं गज है। दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन ही ब्लोज हिज कॉन्च। मॉडर्न मैनेजमेंट में हम उसको कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर कहते हैं। He creates a communication barrier. Simple, right? Because that is the only way to convince him. Now you can see the ability in Krishna to go up to when he talks with Vidur and Bhishma, he is a super intellectual. But when he talks to the typically गदाधारीज जिनकी बुद्धि कम होती है, हाथ पांव मुंह पहले चलता है, दिमाग बाद में चलता है, ऐसे लोग बहुत दिखते हैं आसपास। अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनकी तादाद कुछ ज्यादा ही हो रही है हमारी सोसाइटी में, जिनकी थिंकिंग थ्रू प्रोसेस नहीं है कि इसका नतीजा आगे क्या होगा। ये जितने इस रोड पे मुझे दिखते हैं बिना हेलमेट के जोकर्स, जो अपनी जान की भी परवाह नहीं है, दूसरों के जान की भी परवाह नहीं है। सो दोज आर द काइंड ऑफ पीपल। हाउ डज ही हैंडल द बुल हेड्स? यू नो हाउ ही हैंडल्स ईच ऑफ दीज कैरेक्टर्स। देन द्रौपदी, ब्रिलियंट माइंड, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट लेडी बट वेरी प्राउड। हाउ डज ही हैंडल हर? She catches Krishna and says, आप ये बताओ, आपको तो पास्ट प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर सब पता है, आपने 5 हस्बैंड की मुसीबत क्यों दे दी मेरे को? What is this? Now what does Krishna do? अब इसको कैसे कन्विंस करे? ओ, अब तुमने पूछा है, मैं बता देता हूं, मैंने कुछ नहीं करा। पिछले जन्म में तुम शिवजी की महान भक्त थी, तुमने इतनी आराधना प्रार्थना कर दी। शिवजी आपको पता है बड़े सिंपल गॉड है, कैलाश पर्वत पे बैठे रहते हैं, चुपचाप किसी को तंग नहीं करते, अनलेस यू प्रोवोक हिम, फिर तांडव भी कर सकते हैं, बट अदरवाइज इज दुनिया से दूर, उनको कोई दुनियादारी से लेना देना नहीं है, ना कपड़ों से लेना देना है, राख वाख लगा के टाइगर स्किन पहने बैठे रहते हैं। वेरी लकी गॉड, 1972 में वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट आ गया था। अगर शिवजी उसके बाद के होते तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती, सलमान खान जैसे ब्लैक बक और ये और टाइगर के बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम हो जाती, तो खैर बच गए। तो तुमने इतनी प्रार्थना आराधना कर दी, शिवजी खुद उतर के आ गए धरती पर। अरे बेटी, तू इतनी आराधना प्रार्थना कर रही है, व्हाट डू यू वांट? तुमने देखा ये तो कमाल का चांस है, बॉस खुद पूछ रहा है क्या चाहिए, जो मर्जी साइन करा लो। तो तुमने उठा के 5 लाख क्वालिटी मांग ली अपने फॉर फ्यूचर हस्बैंड में, 5 मांगी थी, कहानी में कुछ भी बना लो, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो शिवजी साइंड, अप्रूव्ड, ओके, ग्रांटेड। वो चले गए अपने कैलाश पर्वत। अब इस जन्म में मुझे जिम्मा मिला तुम्हारे लिए पति ढूंढने का। इंडिया छोड़ो, मैं सारा वर्ल्ड टूर कराया, जैसे हमारे नेता लोग करते हैं। कंप्यूटर ऑन करना आता नहीं होगा, स्विट्जरलैंड की वादियों में कंप्यूटर सीखने जाते हैं। सो कृष्णा अपना घूम घाम के आए बाहर से, एक भी बंदा ऐसा नहीं मिला जिसमें वो सारी लिस्ट ऑफ क्वालिटीज। अब शिव जी का वरदान है, गलत हो सकता है क्या? अब ये 5 भाई मिला के सारे क्वालिटीज है जो तुमने मांगा था। नाउ ये तो है स्टोरी। अब इसमें से लेसन क्या है मैनेजमेंट का? नेक्स्ट टाइम यू गेट अपसेट विद अ कलीग, अ सीनियर, a junior, a student, anybody, tell yourself, ask yourself the question, अगर ये महान पांडव, supposedly महान, उनमें से एक भी अगर परफेक्ट होता विदाउट एनी कमी, तो एक हस्बैंड से काम चल जाता। Even they were not perfect. So why am I imagining my boss to be perfect, my colleague to be perfect, my subordinate to be perfect? No one is perfect. Am I perfect? I am not. So unless we look at these epics in a realistic framework rather than only puja part, as I told you, high time we got over this nonsense of ritualism. Pardon my using strong words. ढोलक बजा के आराधना प्रार्थना करते हुए वैष्णो देवी चले जा रहे हैं, घर आके फीमेल फीटस को अबॉर्ट कराने में एक बूंद की शर्म नहीं आती उनको। जब तक ये सो कॉल्ड वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी, अदरवाइज कॉल्ड अ सन, नहीं हो जाएगा तब तक गाड़ी नहीं रुकेगी। एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में मैंने कह दिया, मैंने कहा ये वो थोड़ा जूनियर प्रोग्रामर्स का था, जूनियर इसका था, एम्प्लॉइज का, वर्कर्स भी थे कई उसमें। तो मैंने ये बोला, मैंने उसको स्ट्रेस करने के लिए मैंने कहा जी हमारे देश में एक परिवार ऐसा हुआ है जहां सिर्फ एक लेडी पैदा हुई है, एक ही बेटी थी, और आज भी हमारे देश में 15 मई से पहले की बात कर रहा हूं, वही राज कर रहे हैं। तो वो समझ तो गए कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं। Then one of them has the cheek to tell me, अरे चौधरी साहब वो तो कमला नेहरू की डेथ हो गई जल्दी, इसलिए वो इंदिरा गांधी अकेली रह गई। मैंने कहा गुरुजी ऐसा है, मैं हूं तो एचआर का, बिना डेटा के बात नहीं करता। अब तुमने कह दिया, अब सुनो। मैंने कहा जाके डेट चेक करो। इंदिरा गांधी वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 19th of November 1917 एंड कमला नेहरू पास्ट अवे 1936। मैंने कहा आप जैसे को 19 साल मिले होते तो 8-10 तो होते कम से कम, जब तक वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी नहीं आ जाता, जो आपकी बातों से लग रहा है। तो बहुराष्ट्रीय कंपनियों ने आके हमारे नौकरी छीन ली है। कौन से बहुराष्ट्रीय कंपनी ने बोला था कि आप लाइन लगा दो 10-20 की? इनफैक्ट लालू जी को पूछा किसी ने, साहब पॉलिसी तो 2 या 3 बस का था, आपने 10 कैसे कर दिया? बोले भाई तब हम ऑपोजिशन में थे, सरकारी पॉलिसी अपोज करना हमारा काम था। सो ऐसे भी लोग हैं, क्या करोगे आप? So you have to handle all types. The basic message I am trying to communicate through all this is you have to manage. And I know I am not preaching what Krishna did on many fronts, but imagine a manager. How can there be a more effective manager who has one full-time wife, Rukmini, at home, one major girlfriend, Radha, outside, some 15-20,000 other part-time girlfriends, and the most important thing is no one is fighting with each other. There is no jhagda. You know what happened to our great Tiger Woods. Not only Ellen went away, she took away all her money also, and his golf also went for a 6. All his advertisers left him. Bill Clinton was almost going to be impeached. Now here is, I am not saying that you have to, I am saying look at the efficiency. How can you have anybody who can manage so many things with such ease? He can play the bansuri as well. He can dance as well. So that flexibility is what is important. With different people, a 2-year-old child has to be treated differently, a 12-year-old child has to be handled differently, a 22-year-old. And all 22-year-olds will not be the same, mind you. There will be 2-year-old minds in a 22-year-old guy, and you have to handle that also. So that is what is important when you sit down to do this. You must be very, very realistic about what are the resources at your command and how will you ever complete these days. So the first thing is, please recognize the real problem rather than some airy-fairy thought process. What is the real problem that we are facing? By what date will we freeze? This is the problem we want to solve. Then comes next, define the problem. Recognizing and defining, there is a difference. Okay? Recognizing would mean we are, as some of the presenters said, getting best students, getting best faculty, best teaching methodology, whatever. So how do we get there? So what is the current situation as far as this problem is concerned? what is the desired situation as far as this problem is concerned, and how, when, by which date we will identify that. What objective will it serve? Even if we solve this problem, which objective are we solving through this? Then analyzing, which you did, do a SWOT. You are all management professionals. You know about so many other pest analysis, pestle analysis, there's no dearth of frameworks. Then you have, what are the possible solutions? What are your criteria for an ideal solution? It should be economical. That means within this budget we should be able to do. Within this time frame we should be able to do. Those are your limiting factors. I am sure you are all familiar with the concept of bounded rationality. So rationality is fine, but you are always bounded by some factor or the other. So what is the criteria? What are the criteria for an ideal solution? Then arrive at the best solution, implement the solution, and review the success that you are getting. If you go about every problem in a systematic manner, only then you will arrive at sensible choices. But unfortunately, pardon my saying this, we are doing most of the time khana purti. Khana purti, even to the extent, and I am a very, very keen observer of human behavior. That's my interest from a 0 age to 100-year-old person. I am very interested in knowing their behavioral patterns. आप जहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल है आपका सैनिटेशन, आप कई जगह देखेंगे बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल वो चार्ट लगा हुआ है कि स्वीपर ने 12:30 बजे किया है, 1 बजे किया है, वॉट एवर इज द टाइम फ्रेम. अभी दोपहर के 2 बज रहे हैं, 5:30 बजे तक साइन हो रखे हैं सारे. वो अपना साइन करके चल दिया, वो रिकॉर्ड कॉपी चली जाएगी फाइल में. ओहो, एवरीथिंग वेरी नाइसली डन. So we have to get over this khana puri business if we really want to achieve some success. There's too much of khana purti rather. So we need to get over those and implement solutions in a realistic manner.